Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Chief, to your updated guide on mastering Clash of Clans in 2025. This timeless strategy game keeps evolving, and staying ahead requires smart play. We'll dive into the best strategies, from efficient resource management to powerful attack compositions, all designed to elevate your game. Get ready to conquer your enemies and rise through the ranks with these crucial insights. Building a strong foundation is crucial for long-term success in Clash of Clans. Focus your initial upgrades on anything that boosts your offense, such as your army camps, spell factories, and barracks. Remember to always keep your builders working. An idle builder is wasted progress. And of course, farm resources relentlessly, because gold and elixir truly fuel your empire's expansion. Attacking well is an art, especially with the 2025 meta. Before every raid, take a moment to carefully scout the enemy base, identifying key defenses and potential weak points. Tailor your army composition to that specific layout. Don't just use one universal build. Mastering troop funneling and precise spell placement will dramatically improve your triple chances every single time you attack. A strong defense is just as important as a strong offense in Clash of Clans. When designing your base, prioritize protecting your town hall and dark elixir, often the most rated resources. Arrange your high hit point buildings like storages and defensive structures to create natural funnels, leading enemy troops into traps and powerful defenses. Always keep those defensive upgrades rolling, making your base a formidable fortress. To truly excel, dive into clan activities. Clan wars offer immense rewards and valuable learning experiences. Your heroes are game changers, so learn to deploy their abilities at just the right moment to turn the tide of battle. And remember, Clash of Clans is always evolving, so stay flexible, adapt to new updates, and keep experimenting with your strategies. Happy clashing, Chief, and good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.